Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use mint leaves in food. Mint is a wonderfully versatile herb that brings a refreshing, cool flavor to countless dishes. To start, always select fresh, vibrant green leaves, avoiding any that are wilted or discolored. Before incorporating them into your recipes, gently wash the mint under cool, running water to remove any dirt or impurities. This simple preparation ensures your dishes taste their absolute best. Mint truly shines in sweet applications, adding a delightful brightness. Try garnishing desserts such as fruit salads, chocolate cakes, or even a simple bowl of berries with a few fresh mint leaves. You can also infuse mint into simple syrups, perfect for sweetening beverages or drizzling over fruit compotes. For a refreshing treat, finely chop about 1/4 cup of mint and fold it into homemade ice cream or sorbet just before freezing. Don't limit mint to just sweet dishes. It's fantastic in savory recipes too. It pairs beautifully with meats, especially lamb, in Middle Eastern and Mediterranean cuisines. Try mixing about 2 tablespoons of finely chopped mint into a fresh salad with cucumber, tomatoes, and feta cheese for an extra layer of flavor. You can even blend mint with garlic, pine nuts, and olive oil to create a vibrant pesto, perfect for pasta or grilled vegetables. Beyond food, mint is a star in beverages. Muddle a few leaves in the bottom of a glass for classic refreshing cocktails like mojitos or mint juleps. For a soothing, caffeine-free drink, simply steep about 10 to 15 fresh mint leaves in hot water for 5 minutes to make a delicious tea. You can also finely chop mint and add it to salad dressings or marinades for a bright, herbaceous kick. Enjoy experimenting with this versatile herb.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.